Good morning, chicos. Here's Larry looking out the window again this morning, looking at birds. Well, so today isn't too difficult of a day. If you go to your classwork for the day, it should look something like this on my screen. Okay, this is period 2, for example. So first of all, let's go to our bell ringer. You click it to open it. It'll make your own copy, and these shouldn't be too bad. Okay, don't forget to be filling out this part up top. So that's your name and then the date. I'll give you a hint. Today is Viernes el 20 de marzo. So when you're watching this video, you can use that to fill it out. And then just don't forget your name as well. Okay? And then it says, what word does almost every new vocab word use? So if you look through the vocab, almost every single one this time uses this word called hace, right? Which is another way to say it is. So this is when it gets confusing between ser, estar, tener, and then we also add in this word hacer. Okay, so for right now, the answer to this is just hace. Okay. Then you'll go in and it says, what is the difference between tengo calor and hace calor? Okay, we learned this a while ago, but tengo calor is when I am hot versus hace calor is for weather, so it is hot outside. That's the biggest difference. Okay, so I am hot versus it is hot outside. Then it says, translate the following. It is nice weather. So you'll go in and you'll go through your notes. It shouldn't be too hard to find, but it's hace buen tiempo. Now, some of you yesterday put this thing called, they put es hace nueve because they saw is. That means it is nice weather, and we don't want to put that. We just want to put hace buen tiempo. Okay, the next thing is it is snowing. Some people did this yesterday too. Hace llueve or something like es llueve. No, that's not right. You're going to write it just like it is in your notes. Oh, sorry, that was raining. But anyways, people put, hace nieva or something like that. But it's just nieva. So that itself means it is snowing. So nothing too difficult today on today's bell ringer. It's literally just looking at your notes. So let me go through here. Okay, so that's your bell ringer. Then if you go back to classwork, today's classwork is very easy. So if you view assignment and go to the instructions, it says if you are not here for the paper copy of this, okay, so you click it open, it's that word search and crossword I gave you guys. If you are not here, it says instead of the word search side, so this side, you are to write down the following 5 times each, and there they all are right there that you would write 5 times each. If you don't have the paper copy, you're still to do the crossword side, and you'll just write across 3 dot is tiempo or el tiempo or whatever it might be. Okay, if you struggle on this, please email me. You're just taking a picture of the piece of paper and then turning it in that way. Other than that, if you have any questions, please email me. And you guys have a good weekend.